Call it Paul Bubba Sparks.
Booty, 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 rockin' everywhere. Booty, 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 rockin' everywhere. Booty, 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 rockin' everywhere. Rockin' everywhere. Rockin' everywhere.
We are here with, my cat. Oh, there he is. There he is. Hey, Panther. Okay. Panther, calm down, calm down. I thought you loved me. We are here in this rainstorm. As you can hear the thunder a little bit. And you know what? I have heard that there hasn't been a murder in years. That was nothing. Maybe it's just a woman getting all excited about RuPaul's Drag Race. Okay, so it's nothing to be worried about. That was nothing. Just in my basement. As you can obviously see, I found side effects. Sound effects. Side effects. Side effects may include. Long list just appears right here. Wait, what? We are not Miley Cyrus.